Think you know European flags? 15 questions. No time to Google. Let's find out, right now. This flag has a red background and a white cross. It's been used since the Middle Ages. Which country? Yep, that's Switzerland. 3 horizontal stripes, white, blue, and red. A classic Slavic combo. Which country is it? Correct, Russia. A blue flag with 12 golden stars in a circle, symbol of unity. Which flag is it? That's right, the EU flag. A red flag with a simple white cross, the oldest national flag still in use. You got it, Denmark. 3 vertical stripes, green, white, red, home of opera and espresso. Easy one, Italy. A simple red and white flag, white on top, red on the bottom. Yep, Poland. Blue Nordic cross on a white background. A chilly country. Correct, Finland. Blue on top, yellow on bottom. Simple, strong. That's Ukraine. A complex coat of arms on blue, red, and yellow vertical stripes. Tiny country in the Pyrenees. Yep, that's Andorra. Red and yellow stripes with a coat of arms featuring a lion and castle. Viva España. Red and white horizontal stripes, but no coat of arms. That's Monaco. 3 vertical stripes, blue, yellow, red. Looks like Romania's flag, but it's not. Sneaky one, Moldova. 3 horizontal stripes, red, blue, orange. That's Armenia. Simple, bold, and full of history. 3 vertical stripes, black, yellow, red, a compact flag with royal roots. Right again, Belgium. Blue flag with a red cross outlined in white. Looks like the UK, but isn't. That's Norway, not the UK. Let us know if you'd like more quizzes on South America, Asia, Africa, or world capitals. We've got plenty more coming your way.